The $100,000 breakthrough. How I cracked the code to online prosperity. In this captivating video, I'm bearing it all. The challenges, pivotal moments, and life-changing decisions that paved the way to my first $100,000 milestone. Get ready to be inspired and equipped to chase your financial freedom. If you are new on this channel, my name is Max Cecco, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs create a profitable online business, selling their expertise or someone else's knowledge. I remember this moment as if it was yesterday. The first time I sold my online video tutorial, Camtasia Video Express, and made a net profit of $5,600 was one of the best moments of my life. I was finally making money online, working from home part-time, without investing tons of money to start a traditional entrepreneurial career. Those $5,600 completely changed my perspective on making money online. Not because of this amount of money, obviously, but because they gave me the certainty I needed to change my life selling expertise online. Moreover, I could have done this profession in any part of the world, thanks to a PC, a microphone, and an internet connection. But let's start from the beginning. I started from zero. Since I'm an electrotechnician, graduated in high school in 1999 with honors, 100, I didn't have any marketing or sales experiences. No background in selling anything, no idea of what marketing was, and no idea how to sell online. In addition, you have to consider this important factor. In Italy in 2008, there wasn't much information available regarding how to sell online. My internet connection was incredibly slow. To create web pages, you had to learn HTML, JavaScript, and other programming languages. So the process was very slow and tough at the same time. Fortunately, my curiosity allowed me to dive deep into this internet opportunity, and in January 2008 I met my first Italian mentor. This guy introduced to the Italian market the concept of selling information online. His name was Italo Cilo, and I'm incredibly grateful to this amazing person. After 6 months of joining his program, he helped me understand my hidden potential. Since I love teaching and sharing ideas with people, he inspired me to fill a gap the Italian market needed. This is why I created my first video tutorial called Camtasia Video Express. In a nutshell, I taught people how to use Camtasia video screen recording software to create video tutorials and video slide presentations. I even uploaded some parts of this tutorial on my old YouTube Italian channel. Now, the question is, how did I sell this video tutorial? I didn't have any knowledge of how to use Google Ads. Facebook was at its beginning, plus no one knew me. And this is what I did. I established a profitable partnership with my mentor in order to sell this video course to his mailing list, perfectly in target with my message. Long story short, we launched the sales letter to his mailing list and sold 56 copies at $100 each, and we split profits. I was in the seventh heaven. You have to consider that I had a 9-to-5 job. I drove trains in Italy. Yes, you understood correctly. I was driving trains. The message I want you to convey is that I was creating my side hustle in my spare time. After this first online course, motivated by the results I was getting and the idea of quitting my primary job, I created 2 other video tutorials because I knew the process of creating and selling information online. This is why I decided to record these other 2 video tutorials. WordPress Video Express, in which I taught how to create a website using WordPress software. And I'm still using the same software today for my website, landing pages, checkout pages, and so on. I sold this course for $147 and even $247. A Member Video Express. In this video training, I taught how to use a membership software to help people create private areas to host online courses. I sold this course for $247. In a nutshell, with these 3 softwares combined, I could sell, record, package and deliver online courses. These 3 video courses allowed me to make almost $50,000 per year. It means that in 2 years I made my first $100,000. It seems to be a long time, but consider that the Italian market wasn't ready for this incredible innovation. It was 15 years ago. Keep in mind that the entire process of selling and delivering information was 95% automated. It means that I was selling these video courses 24/7 and 365 days per year. Now the question is, how did I sell these online courses in the following 5 years? I used 3 traffic sources. The first one was Google Ads. You perfectly know how Google works. Someone types in the white bar what they are searching for. For instance, how to create a blog, and I was ready with my ad to satisfy the desire of my target audience. They clicked on my ad and downloaded some private videos that pre-sold my online course. The second strategy was to establish partnerships with different websites related to what I was selling, which were well positioned on the first page of Google. In other words, I partnered with websites to get access to their audience to leverage their targeted traffic. The third strategy was establishing partnerships with other colleagues in the Italian market, as I did to launch my first video course. Partnerships are the best way to make profits from nothing, without investing money. I've just shared with you how I did my first $100,000 online in 2 years. But this was just the beginning. Indeed, the next step was to double my income, to make $100,000 per year. But if you want to know this next step, I recommend you to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to make a video to share with you the strategies I'm still using today to make profits online. You can use the same strategies to start your business or make it more profitable. With that being said, I highly recommend watching this masterclass I published on my YouTube channel. Watch these 56 minutes to be a millionaire in 12 months. In this masterclass, I condensed my 15-year experience and knowledge selling online information. I share with you the best business vehicle that allows you to become a millionaire in this new economy. So watch this video now.